once again riding enduro on the trails of Wales. Admittedly, it is drizzling with rain right now and I have not got a waterproof on, but we're holding out faith that it's going to dry up and get sunny. Is that being overly optimistic? Yes. First bit of mud and water. Well, the rain has come to a stop. If you've got a drizzly lens, I'll wipe you in a second. That sounds a bit weird actually. Oh, nice and green algae and whatnot. I need to take it easy actually, it's 100 miles today, so don't want to do me wrists in straight away. Pure scenery once again. Thank you very much. Soak it all in. It's nice to get the views in while we're cruising on the new thing. Nah, forgive me, that was actually shocking. Here's another tip, don't get overly cocky when it's wet. I always do. On the road, I mean, you know, do what you want off-road, but on these lanes you do not want to go down, kiss the asphalt. I'm not going to say it's not raining because then it will start raining, but it is drizzling. So actually, yeah, I'm going to say it is raining. Yeah, it's raining pretty heavy right now. Reverse psychology. Single track ruts, just stare at the wheel in front of you, pretty much. Don't look down in front of your own wheels. You lose balance. Oh, loose rocks again, bike dance. Let the bike do the bike dance. Full send. Oh shit, boy. That's fucking deep. Oh fuck. Okay, no, I shot myself then. That is my old enemy, my worst nemesis. Grass ruts in the fresh rain. I was on my WR and that happened and it just flew, and then I was on the floor and my chest, zero body armour mind you, oh Christ, my chest landed on the tip of my bars. I'm lucky I had new grips or I would have been fully impaled on the old bars. Garoonies, Jesus, don't look behind you when you're heading towards treacherous waters. Oh, fellow bikers, nice to see. Right. On the old Yamaha DT, wrapping about. We're getting proper wet now, so my reverse psychology on nature did not work correctly. The funny part is I've got a waterproof coat in my bag and here I am getting fucking drenched. Hello, that is the Dream NW right there. Hey guys, we're now on the lane known as Water Breaks His Neck, and I'm hoping I don't break my neck because this one is like really long, straight, flowing tracks. They basically incite you to go stupidly fast and then hit you with like random obstacles that you're not expecting. And it's caught a lot of people out in the past. In the past, mate. What the fuck's going on with me, like? So, focused as always. I guess the tip would be don't run before you can walk. Like, don't start flying if you haven't learned how to land. Yeah. No! Oh, the sun's come out, the scenery's doing its thing. We're doing our thing. The 125 is singing along through the country. Whoa, okay, remember guys, the bike dance. Let it do it. Let it be free. Not too free, mind. So, I'm trialing out this new camera angle. I've no idea what it's going to look like. It's essentially because I used to have this camera on the back of my bike, which was sick, and then Ray snapped it off. Anyway, so I can't really put it on the back of this one because of the sort of nature of the hard enduro I'm doing and the angle of the mudguard. I'm putting my weight and my ass right back onto the mudguard, and I'd snap off the camera mount if it was back there. But yeah, we'll see how this turns out, and let me know what you think, if it's shit or if it's not. You came here for the off-road, but now you're watching the on-road. Because for once it was slightly interesting. Guys, once again, the scenery, man. You get the scenery on your screenery. Another flight. Whoa! That was the appropriate reaction. Absolutely fair play to the relatively newcomers on this ride. They're sticking with the pace. No dramas. Wise line, wise line. And he creeps up on the inside. He's going for the overtake. No, he's not, because this is the TRF and we don't do that sort of thing here. There's a tip. Be seriously cautious of cattle grids, specifically in the wet. I've nearly crashed on them. I've seen people basically fully crash on them.
That's a lovely track, isn't it?
Yeah, real nice.
I've been on that one before.
You look wet.
Thanks for that, sorry. I go over the bars and my power on. Don't accept his apology. Don't accept his apology. There was a big fucking hole there.
I've never done this track.
Yeah, you are.
No, I haven't.
We did it the other week.
This one?
Yep.
Really?
On that record.
What, we
We did this twice.
twice?
Yep. Twice.
The fuck?
This is the one with the wind turbines.
Oh!
Do a road section, then onto the wind turbines.
Fuck, how have I got no concept of that? You don't get choo-choo trains. Would you call a line of bikers a Vroom Vroom chain? Probably not. Yeah, no, I wouldn't. Oh shit. The kind of place, ow, what a thistle to the fucking shoulder. I was gonna say it's the kind of place you really don't want to crash, but I'm not gonna say that because that sounds like jinxing material. Oh fucking hell, boy.
That's too many horsepower.
Ow! Oh shit! That was eventful. It's funny because we did this a couple weeks back in reverse and I don't recognise it. It's kind of nice because you're like, oh, a lovely trail I've never done before, and then someone's like, yeah, we did that last week, and you're like, oh shit, okay. But two for the price of one, isn't it? So this is called Bully Lane. Coming up it is very interesting. Probably easier, to be honest. You just start to feel the bike get away from you, bouncing around. Yeah, up there. Oh, today's a slippy day then. That answers that question. Oh shit. This is fucking class. Go on. Oh shit. Even the Michelin mediums, eh? Let's see how the Midas Extreme 754 do.
God, slippy.
It's proper slippy, isn't it? Oh. Justin, it should be right, downhill, and this is my favourite spot on this route personally, guys. Oh, so cool, nice and cool, cold air, woodland shadow. Yeah, I like this, big fan. That's entertaining. Ah, fuck. Oh, getting dark. Getting sinister. Oh, flies. Oh. I'll lose three at once then. I don't enjoy that one bit. Fun, nice summer ride out. I've enjoyed it. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please consider liking the vid and subscribing to the channel. That'd be sick. Trying to grow it, trying to get it bigger, and it's happening. So mad gratitude to all of you lot. Enjoy the rest of the day. I'll see you in the next one.